What's up guys, this is your man GidK once again. In today's video, I'm going to quickly show you how to color correct your images in cameraraw. Yeah, so without wasting much time, let's dive into it. So firstly, this image on the screen has undergone the process of color correction. So I'm going to reset it. So you are going to see the raw file. Yes, you see everything looks pale. I usually shoot in neutral. Yes, so this gives me the chance to bring out colors I want in my image. Yes, so I'm going to walk you guys through the basic aspect. So come to your right hand side where you see the basic side or the basic option. Yes, so that's where you're going to do most of the fundamental processes. Yes, so that's where you get exposure, contrast, highlight and stuff. So she's putting on a white dress which looks blown out, so we are going to start off with the highlights. Yes, so anything that's blowing out is going to be reduced. Let's say if there was a sky, it's going to come down. Yes, so with the contrast too, I have to boost it a little to bring out a little lightness in the image. Yes, and then I boost out my shadows a little because her face looks dark. Yes, so any part of the image that has shadows, if you increase the number or the percentage, it's going to affect it. Yes, and I reduce on my whites too as well. Then I increase on my blacks a little. Then I jump all the way to the haze, and then I increase on the haze a little. Yes, so what the haze is going to do is it's going to take out any hazy look in the image. So let's say, especially for the highlight aspect, yes, mostly it works for clouds or skies. Yes, so let's go to color correction. We are done with the basic aspect. Let's go to color correction, and then the major color I see here is greens. So I'm going to start off with the greens. Yeah. I want the green to look natural as seen in the image. So I'm going to, for the saturation, means the intensity of the specific color you want to work on, and then the luminance is the brightness for the specific color. So this green, if I want it to be light or deep, yes, or I want to reduce the brightness of the greens, yes, and then the hue is changing the green to, let's say, yellow or a specific color. Yes, so I'm going to increase the saturation. I'm going to boost it a little and then reduce on the brightness of the greens, and then drag the hues to my right side a little. Yes, dragging it to my right side is because I want to make it look much greener. If you take it to your left side, it's going to look very yellowish, which that's not what I want. Yes, so I want it very greenish. Yes, okay, so next thing is come to the yellows aspect. Yes, and then we boost in the yellow a little. Yellow because of the bamboo wood. Yes, I'm going to increase it a little more and then reduce on the luminance. And then we have orange here. So mostly orange works with skin tones. Yes, so if you want to grade or color correct your skin tone, you have to come to orange. Mostly it falls under orange, red, and sometimes yellow, but the main deal here is oranges. Yes, so for example, if I desaturate it, you are going to notice the face is going to look black and white. So any part that is looking black and white means that if you touch that aspect, it's going to affect the image. Yes, so I don't boost or I don't increase on saturation of my skin tone. I just increase the luminance, that's the brightness. So I just increase it a little to take out any shadow aspects on that scene, yes, or on the face. So lastly, we'll be going to the hair aspect. Yes, so the hair is full of magenta, so we're going to grade the hair too as well to increase the brightness a little. I won't touch the hue because I want it this way. Okay, so then we come to blues as well. So the reason for us coming to blue is because of the building over there. Yes, we can see blue on the surface, so we increase the saturation, and then reduce the luminance, and then I drag this to the cyan aspect, or to the cyan side. Yes, and then lastly I'm going to jump all this and come to calibration. And in calibration I'll be going to my blue primary. So what this specifically mean is I want to pop out all the colors I've done in the image. So I come to the saturation. You're not going to touch the hue, with the saturation only, and then increase it to you feel, or to you see the colors are popping out. Yes. Lastly, I want to do a little change on the basic aspects, as increase of my shadows a little. Good. So this is how we've color corrected our image. Yes. So I'm going to copy the edit settings, and then if you have similar images being shot at the same place, you don't need to go through all this stress anymore. You just have to copy the edit settings, come to the image, and then paste it. Once you paste it, in the beginning it might not work, or you have to tweak certain things on it. Yes, let's say the temperature, for example. Yes, so if this looks too warm for you, you can drag the temperature to your left side to make it a little cooler. Yes, and that is how you apply presets as well. So if you purchase a preset from our store and then you apply it, you have to tweak it a little to fit your image correctly. Yes, so this is how you color correct your images in cameraraw. Yes, and also check out our digital store for amazing product that is going to elevate your editing style and also save time in your editing process. Yes, so this is your man once again, and peace out.